Hi, I'm Chelsea, the business manager for the Boathouse Florida Group, and I'm here to talk to you about our awesome prepaid maintenance program. Here, customer service is a top priority. We want to keep you on the water for longer. Routine maintenance is a must for a long-lasting, smooth boat ride. Here at the Boathouse, when you take advantage of our prepaid maintenance program, not only are you locking in today's rates for tomorrow's uncertainties, but you're also receiving top-tier service from some of the best technicians in the industry. Our highly skilled service team members follow the guideline requirements from our manufacturers. We can also tailor this package to your specific needs. We offer 1, 2, and 3-year programs. Another bonus is an upgradable option to include your trailering or lift in and out fees depending on your location to make your experience convenient and worry-free. If you have any questions on the cost savings and convenience of our Boathouse prepaid maintenance program, give me a call. Again, I'm Chelsea with the Boathouse. Have a great day and see you on the water.